Hello YouTube. Sorry about the mess. I'm paying some bills. But just got me a little package. So I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing and I'm gonna make a little announcement. Okay, this is my new video camera. As you can see here, it's pretty good. Got me a little tripod for it. Action cam, some mics, and I got this in the mail. So let's open this up and see what we have. This is, I've been looking for this for a while. This is the mount, so I can mount my camera in the vehicle, action cam, so I can finally do some in-car videos, some out-car videos. And there it is installed. Has a suction cup on there. I can basically mount it anywhere in the cars. It has different points where you can adjust the bending, the angles, and such. This mount also works on my digital camera, my camcorder. And we got mics and stuff so you can pick up the sounds better. Now to the announcement I was going to make, I'm going to start doing vlogs now that I got better equipment so I can be in the vehicle. I've been asked, can I do some drive-bys, in-car, other things, and I'm planning on doing that. Start seeing them soon. I still need a few more things. I have to go to the store right now. It needs a memory chip for this and a memory chip for that. So I'm going to go to Walmart and get me some chips there. Also, the BMW is no longer here. I sold it just as fast as I bought it. Like I said, I bought it for 50 bucks. Sold it for $3 grand, as is. So I'm going to use that money to work on my other Taurus that I'm going to put the SHO engine in. I have the block, but now I got a little money to spend on a rebuild kit, some other stuff, and I might use some of that money to work on the Taurus I'm driving right now. Later this week, I'm going to be making an opening video. I bought one rim. I'm going to buy a rim every week until I get all 5. Expect another video in about 2 or 3 days when the rim comes in. And then I'm going to let y'all know my plans when it comes to the wheel and tire package. Until then, I'll see you.